We're on the 250 today, boys. Really rode the 250 much lately, more so because it needs front wheel bearings really bad, and I can't justify a reason to pay $90 for front wheel bearings from this company. That and the back shock needs rebuilt, also really bad. Front forks need rebuilt. All around, this bike is it's just a backup at this point until I get something different, and then I'll rebuild it and do better with it, I guess. Whew. Front end feels different than the 450. The turning on a dime is just whack. I was on the 450 and I had enough oomph. I think I could honestly jump it to here, but this thing don't got enough balls. I don't know, man. I'm just here. I'm gonna try this again though until I get it right. Oh dude, that sets you up perfect for this hill. That is sick. We're gonna do it. Dude, that's awesome. That's probably one of the sickest lines out here. I still got leftover hair from that wig in my helmet, bro. I don't know, but that line right there that takes you up that was crispy. Oh, that's a little sketch. That inside is a little sketchy because you got to hop over this gap. That's cool though. What's up, buddy? Drake. Drake. Slow down. Yeah, he's playing in the mud puddle. I want to go back here real quick and then I gotta dip out. Back down there, over that way. So I'm so I just hit the craziest hill ever. And I wasn't even recording because the GoPro died. That's awesome, but I have enough life for 5 seconds of bro. That's so God dude. Like, you guys don't even understand the hill that I just did. That was sickening, bro. That's sickening. That hill was crazy.